Data values from the data type Boolean. Logical operators, and, or, not. Either one of the value must be true. Both x and y must be true. Not operator takes truth to falsity and vice versa. Break statement ends loop prematurely. Continue statement finishes current loop iteration. In object-oriented programming, the class keyword is used to define a new class that represents a real-world concept, while the def keyword is used to define a function or method within the class, where the first parameter, self, refers to the instance of the class and is implicitly passed when the method is called. In conditional program execution, the program begins by evaluating the if branch, then checks each elif branch if the previous conditions were not met, and finally executes the else branch if none of the earlier conditions evaluate to true. A while loop repeatedly executes a block of code as long as a specified condition remains true, and the loop will continue until the condition evaluates to false, allowing for continuous iteration based on the condition. Thanks for watching.